Hello, I'm Dustin. Welcome to 5 Minutes Tech Story. Today, we're tackling a big word, generative artificial intelligence, or generative AI. Sounds like something only computer whizzes talk about, right? But no worries, I'm here to make it super easy to understand. In the next 5 minutes, we'll turn this techie topic into something as easy as pie. Let's dive in and uncover the mystery of generative AI together. Imagine you have a really smart and creative friend who can quickly come up with a poem, design some sneakers, or invent a new recipe when you ask. That's what generative AI does. It's a type of smart tech that can create new things that didn't exist before. Sounds cool, doesn't it? So, how does it work? Think about it like a smart chef. You give a chef some ingredients, like cheese, tomatoes, and basil, and ask for something Italian. That's like giving data to generative AI. And just like that, you might get a new kind of pizza you've never tried before. Generative AI mixes the information you give it and comes up with something new and unique. But there's a method to how it does this. Inside generative AI, there are complicated steps, like recipes, that help the AI mix everything just right. These steps show the AI different patterns, styles, or rules to use when making something new. So, if you ask for a poem about the moon, it knows how to put the words together so they rhyme and tell a vivid story about the night sky. Generative AI isn't just about making cool art or having fun. It can tackle big jobs too, like coming up with new medicines or making materials that are really strong for builders. Think of it like a superhero that's really good at solving tricky problems. You ask for help, and it comes up with some smart answers. Why does this matter? Before, we thought computers were only good for things like adding numbers, sorting stuff, or playing games. But now, thanks to generative AI, they're teaming up with people who make art, invent new things, or think up big ideas. It's really exciting because it opens up new things computers can help us with. And here's the coolest part. You don't have to be a computer genius to use generative AI. There are apps and tools out there that let anyone tap into this creativity. Want to write a song or make some digital art? You might find an AI like ChatGPT that can help you out. It's like having a genie that doesn't run out of wishes, always ready to share endless creative ideas with you. Generative AI is an amazing tool that brings together science and creativity. It's changing how we think, create, and solve problems. That's all for today's episode. See you next time for more tech fun.